man, you see too black for that. Yo.
My face good, man.
Nah, man, your teeth ain't good.
Welcome back to the
Jesus
Father
That
Christ. Fucking cup was... We getting started correctly right now. Okay? Johnny getting me very vexed.
Wow,
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the
Goofy.
Kinda.
That was whack as shit.
Do you mind
bro.
shut your stinking mouth? That is what we put in.
No,
Shut
that was whack.
Jesus
Okay,
Christ.
as you can see, David and India, so we have a little plus
In the States.
But them
Bowling. So today we're doing who's most likely to and would you rather and different questions. First question, who's most likely to leave the house without wearing an underwear?
Yo, what up?
Yeah.
Yes!
Next question.
Yeah, next question.
Who's most likely to have a threesome with one of their friends? Yo, hold it down. That's something you would do.
Bro. Next question, please.
I'm gonna say nothing different now. Who's most likely to start a naughty conversation via text?
Me. Shut
Shut your stinking mouth that you like to do.
So,
You like to get honey from text, eh?
shut the fuck up, bro.
If me bushaula. Likely to want to do it out in a public area. Nah, don't come with that stupid news.
I really don't care.
Because you're doing that in the kitchen, the girl with the sea water and salt water, everything. Shut your stinking mouth. Use condom.
You fucking lie. Since when? You don't use condom.
I don't use condom.
Anyways, who's most likely to fake an orgasm?
You would do that too.
Both. Now we switching up questions. Would you?
Yes, hurry up.
Would you rather be bad at foreplay or bad at intercourse? Bad at intercourse, but I really don't care. Like, if you call a foreplay game, so on the next level type shit, bro. What happens, Samuel? I can't read, man.
But I don't know if you can
C'est pas
read.
des questions pour moi, ça.
Bref.
You're from ta bouche, ou Kylie.
Innocent.
Yeah, but hurry up, read.
Hey.
Okay.
Deuxième.
Shut your stinking mouth.
Le deuxième.
Would you rather talk while doing it or be complete silent? Where you on talk
Complete
for?
silent, bro. Make it
Shut
sound
your
like-
mouth.
I just want to make it sound like les vidéos porno, c'est vraiment cool.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna let them porno videos just hit different.
No, that don't hit different at all. See, that just pissed me off.
Shut
and
your
turned me
stinking
off.
mouth. Shut your...
Next, and then the porn videos that got music for what? I'm not trying to bust my phone not overheat. So
Et pour la reste, ça c'est pas des questions pour moi. Ils m'ont fait
Nonsense.
venir pour rien.
Rather be the one caught cheating or have someone find you cheating?
read back your question again. See how dumb you
Would
sound.
you rather be the one caught cheating or have someone find you cheating?
Fuck, that's the exact same question. Would you rather be the one?
Black man no cheat. Black man
But
no cheat.
you go back to
Man, no cheat.
nobody.
Let me talk!
Gentle, feel up that nice coochie and thing they use. Samuel, rough or gentle?
I know I got no
C'est pas
experience.
lui qui est bref. Ok, bref, next
Hey,
question.
experience. And you're talking to Samuel, you want slap man?
Yeah, move your hand. Jesus. The next question.
Would you rather have the best sex that lasts 1 minute or the most average sex that lasts 1 hour?
1 minute then, because after you can just go back and go back and go back and go back. So yeah. Like maybe 10 rounds. But I want to try 10 rounds,
The
but
face looks so, but you should be Robocop, man. But
don't
anyway.
worry. We're back again. His stupid phone over you. Rather marry someone who has never had sex or has a large number of sexual
Never had
partners?
sex.
Never had sex.
For my no ho.
Shut up, you're
Parce que une
stinking.
fille qui baisse beaucoup, c'est non.
Yo.
Anyways,
Man, shit, if you on when she had a large number of sex
to
partners.
be honest, I don't care about
Would you rather do it on an airplane or on a train?
on an airplane.
But they both.
What on a train? What's so special about doing it on a
Don't
train?
worry, I want. They both once I
Anyways,
experience
bro,
it.
shut up. This in the
Shut
opinion.
your
Yeah,
stinking
okay,
mouth.
shit.
That mean nothing.
Okay, brief. Next.
Samuel,
You know. Next.
would you rather do it in the shower or in the bathtub?
You know. Next.
Samuel, Paul, come.
I
Yo, man.
It's a fucking umbrella. I look at bathtub, you laying down. So I think bathtub.
Me both. He say neither.
You say either.
Either.
Well, me I want. I got reasons why. I got reasons why.
Why?
And the
Because
shower, yeah, hit it, dog. You standing thinking, but I thought she can ride that. You don't understand? But he's saying it for stubbornness.
But wait, but yeah.
You want to swallow up that water?
Not only. Okay,
Piss and sea water. It's like you basically
I
saying
ain't
when you
pissing
get
in
in
sea
the
water.
sea, you pissing in the water.
I don't piss in the water before jellyfish and come sting my skin.
Any zone will never be able to do
Would
it.
you rather
Yo.
do it at night or in the morning?
Both.
At night. You got. I don't think about both.
I want to do it in the morning and in the night.
Okay, if you have to
Whenever I
pick. If you
feel
have, shut up if you have to pick.
morning or night,
Yeah.
in the evening.
Hey. Morning or night.
Evening!
Would you rather be in a relationship with someone addicted to doing it or who never wanted to? Well, I don't mind being in a relationship with someone who addicted to doing it because I myself, well, not addicted, but I wouldn't mean to be honest.
Such a state.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
But in me, like a freaky girl, you can grab the neck, kiss that, grab the.
Ah!
I'm telling you, though, y'all want wife material and husband material, dog.
The husband material?
Actually, yes, I husband material. Beef
Would you
over
rather
beef.
shut the
Let me
fuck
read
up?
you read enough. This was Stitch tell me, though. Come on. Would you rather be too hot or too cold while in act? When you're sweating,
no,
when you're
because-
sweating, you're unlocking all the positions. Okay, you're unlocking all the movements. You're touching the G spot plus.
You even know what it is, but
Yes.
anyways, next question.
Just thinking, no. Would you rather be with someone who breathes loudly when turning it on, or moans loudly when turning it on?
Breathe slowly, but
Yeah, but it breathe because some girls just be moaning like dogs, but But
if she moans, if she just moans too hard, like everybody can hear when are you doing all you think, even if you want to be low key.
Jesus Christ, I'm
You just do the next questions.
Next question, just scam them.
no,
Next
but
question.
guy getting really sick or something. Oi, man, lead that go.
On va couper ça parce que. Hein?
Non, c'est vrai.
Bref.
Non, faut sous le vote.
Hi guys, so yeah, we are back with we're here with Sammy G.
I ain't no Sammy G. I ain't no Sammy G.
Tip
I ain't no Sammy nothing.
Yeah, welcome back with Tyreek G. You know me, Chef Ojebois, aka Blackie Black. We're here with Sammy Big Lip Mocha and Close.
I ain't no
Shut
Sammy
your
G.
stinking mouth. Shut your stinking mouth. And we're here with Diddy G, Glee, Plot Up on the beat.
Hit
Fama
fast.
ka ju kompè ti ka moun. On pa sa ki big den fama ka ju zi. I ka ju kon bef. I ka ju kon chev. I ka ju kon paraho. Ran no be so less. Them snaps eating me up and ruining my thing. Hey, let's see the flow. Yeah, this is Tyreek flow. Got your girl on a low. Yeah, she's sucking on toes. She's sucking on toes. I don't know. Yo, girl sucking on toes. I don't know why she like Oreo. She like my chocolate cocoa lo. I don't know why she sucking on my toe lo. But she going come on a low. She on the sheet. I done.
Take the
She
question.
on her mother bed. I gon' open up she leg, make her cocking on the bed, and she going from the blade. Yeah, she got her LED lights and it red. You will know that mean I gon' come red blood. I done. The mattress and she room and I'm gon' blow the room. I gon' make a boom, suck my tool. Yeah, my tool small, but it got a lot of cum. I don't know where it's come, and it's come on the loom. Yeah. She like small tool and she knew. But she knew clip like a poom. I don't know why she poom long like that. She gon' make me sucky like in the jam. She from Grankas, yeah, she from GC. She taking low on the bridge, yeah. Make the sea water gishi no taste. I like. I done.
Take the questions.
Shut your mouth. Samuel, yo, listen, put yourself in the damn video. You don't listen.
Bref.
Yeah, but how many lips look black?
Because you black.
Shut your stinking mouth. to have sex in a club.
Not me.
Has you got somewhere?
Well, you.
For me bush out. I would do that. Yes, I would do that on the club table. Maybe even when she's stripping, I will strip with her. Stripping pole for you. You know?
Okay, bro.
Our girl out. Who's most likely to finger someone in public?
Me. I don't mind.
Hola. Hola. I know you're nasty.
Shut up,
You know you gotta keep it nasty.
Yes.
You know!
Next question, please.
But I don't want you finger and no dirty poke.
Do you just be fucking dirty pork and what you say?
You crazy man. Name one. Name one.
Shut up, bro.
Lee to smash their ex-sister.
Me?
Keep it G.
Shit, man. You.
Oh, nigga, we are finished with the video.
Okay, guys. Wow, this man like a dead rat there. Must have
Yeah,
between your legs.
boy.
Anyways,
Must have between Samuel legs.
Guys, it's the end of the video. So you don't know what to do. I want to see all your favorite clips. Posting on your status.
I don't know.
Back your mother's country was supposed.
Samuel, move your foot.
Except where? Okay. Make sure you like. C'est ça.